is Robin, and I am back for 2019 with my first video of the year. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated with my videos. Definitely going to be bringing in a lot more content this year. This is what I was planning on doing today, you guys. I planned on doing a hair video for you guys. I was going to be washing my hair and doing a protein treatment using this Aboji 2-step protein treatment. But my nails will not allow me to do that. And can you see how much they've grown out? Look at this. I have to get my nails redone. So instead, I'm going to be filming a little makeup video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, I decided what I'm gonna do is, since I have a free day today until I go to work tonight, I'm gonna try out, and I'm gonna take this makeup off. I decided I'm gonna try out both of my foundations. I have, both of them are Maybelline matte and poreless, but this one is 332, this one is 330. 332 is golden caramel. This is the one I have been using, and I think it's a little bit too light for my face, so I went and got this matte and poreless 330 toffee caramel. So I'm going to try this one, 330 on this side, which I believe is more my shade, and 332 on this side. So I have this new silicone makeup blender, foundation blender. I actually have two of them, so what I will do is use both. They're brand new. I haven't used them yet. Okay, so I will use one for each side of my face. First, I'm going to do my old 332 on this side. I'll put some on my hand. Oops, a little too much.